Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to another session of Learning English with me. Well, in today's lesson, I am going to talk about tense. Tense. It tells the time and the state of an action. Do you know what is time and what is the state of an action? Time of an action. Time may be classified into present, past and future. State of an action. A state of an action tells us the action is complete or incomplete. The action is perfect or imperfect. You will see or you will understand with examples. Let's understand tenses with example. First, present simple or present indefinite. Right? So present indefinite. See the examples here. He goes to school. What does the sentence tell you? He goes to school. Is the action complete or is the action incomplete? Yes, exactly. We are not sure about the action completion or incompletion, right? We cannot say the action is complete or the action is incomplete. That's why it is indefinite. I play basketball. We are not sure as well in this sentence as well. So that's why these sentences, when we are not sure, when we are not definite that the action is complete or incomplete, it is called present indefinite. Have a look on another tense, present continuous. As the name is telling you, continuous means something is continue and present means something is happening now. Means something is happening and something is continue. That's why it is called present continuous. We are not sure that it is completed or not. We are not sure it is perfect or not, right? We are not sure. That's why it is called present continuous as well as present imperfect. For example, you can see I am going to school. So it means I'm going to school, we know that something is happening now, right? But going to school, we don't know the action is completed or the action is not completed. So it is continued. That's why it is called present continuous. Another example, I am playing basketball. So the action is continued now. That's why it is called present continuous. Let's understand present perfect. Why it is called perfect? Let's understand with the example. He has gone to school. In this sentence, we can see the action is completed, right? That's why we can say this sentence as a present perfect tense. I have played basketball. The action is completed here, right? That's why it is called perfect tense. Present perfect continuous. Perfect means complete. Continuous means continue. But here, in perfect continuous, the action is incomplete because continuous is here. So it means the action is incomplete. You will understand with the example. If I say he is reading a book, we know that this is simple present continuous. But if I say he has been reading a book since 2 p.m., we know the time, perfect time, we know that. That's why it is called perfect continuous. Another example, he has been going to school for 2 months. We know the perfect time for 2 months. That's why it is called perfect continuous. I have been playing basketball since 2 p.m. 2 p.m. We know the exact time. That's why it is called perfect continuous. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more informative videos and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.